Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I of course am excited as always to bring you a brand new skincare video, and today I'm going to be talking about a brand I haven't spoken about on this channel before, and they are Australian made and owned company called Grand Nature Skincare. I've tried a few of their products already. I'll insert a couple of Instagram photos here of two of the products that I have already tried of theirs, and today I'm very excited to bring you two more additional products that I have been trying out lately in my skincare routine that I've absolutely been loving and seeing some really great benefits from. So the first product I'm going to mention today is the Grand Nature Caviar Advanced Anti-Aging Serum. Now this contains Snap 8 caviar extract and Serum cage, I think that's how you pronounce the ingredients. So to tell you a little bit about those ones, Snap 8 is a super peptide and it is a really powerful ingredient for anti-aging. So this product here is going to do some really great anti-aging things for your skin. So this is going to basically reduce the fine lines and wrinkles on your skin, really smooth everything out and really increase that collagen production and the density of the collagen in your skin, keeping everything nice and firm and smooth and just youthful looking, which is of course what you want as you age and as your skin ages as well. Of course you want to keep it looking nice and young and youthful looking, and just basically so it can be in the best condition possible. And then the caviar extract and the Serum cage works together to really help stop that collagen production from breaking down. It really rejuvenates the skin, makes it look brighter, more youthful, and just helps show your skin in its best light. Absolutely possible. And so the second product I'm going to talk to you about today and show you is the Grand Nature Caviar Rejuvenating and Brightening Serum. So this one is more for brightening the skin, and it contains ingredients including nonapeptide 1, Snap 8, and the caviar extract. And this one just looks like this, so it's more of a pearly white colored caviar beads inside there, and they are environmentally friendly as well. All you do is pump it out and massage this product right into your skin until everything's absorbed, and it just be really effective against those fine lines and wrinkles on your skin. The elasticity in your skin is much stronger and firmer. My skin feels so much smoother since using this product as well. My skin just looks so much more youthful and alive, and my pores as well, I should mention, are way more like smaller, which is amazing. This product does such a great all-rounded job at being anti-aging, really bringing out that youthful glow in your skin, which is fantastic. I just love this product so much. So you can use this product both morning and night, or just morning or just in the evening, whichever that you prefer, before then applying your nightly or daily moisturizer. It does absorb into your skin quite quickly, which is great, so you don't have to wait a long time for applying moisturizer or sunscreen. It just does such a fantastic job. All of Grand Nature's products packaging are also recyclable as well, which is fantastic for the environment. I am very impressed by that, and I'm all up for supporting brands that have sustainability in mind when they are producing a large quantity amounts of product. So that is a great thing. So if you're interested in any of Grand Nature's products, they are available in selected pharmacies and stores in Australia. I will have linked below where you can go to check that out. This product is also suitable for all skin types, which is great. So if you have really sensitive, dry, or combination skin, this product will be absolutely fine for you. You can definitely give this a try. It has worked for me. My skin is pretty normal, pretty hardy, and it can take quite a bit of stuff, so I haven't had any troubles on my skin from these products at all. They really feel really nice and relaxing and soothing on my skin. So the Advanced Anti-Aging Serum here retails for $79.99, which is not bad value when you consider it such a high-end, great effective anti-aging serum that's actually really worth it and works really well. This is also 30 mils, so it's not bad. It's quite a generous amount. When you think in terms of serums, you only need the tiniest amount per single use. You only need probably a pea-sized amount, and it really does spread a long way. And then the Rejuvenating and Brightening Serum retails for $89.99, which is great, and I think that's well worth it. You get the 30 mils. It's a really great generous size. You only need the tiniest amount. It really does spread out a long way. I use it all over my face, down my neck, and along my chest area. I think that's really important that you don't forget this area here, because as you age, of course, your face and your neck and your chest area, you want to age at the same rate, not one before the other. So it's really important to use those products you know, in the vast majority of this area that you possibly can, because that is where it's most exposed to the elements and to the sun, and you really want to protect that. And now for the exciting part at the end here. If you are a new customer to Grand Nature, hop onto their website. I'll have it linked right here for you. Jump on, and if you purchase one of these products and use the code Caviar, you can, at the moment, for a limited time, get 50% off your purchase, which is massive. If you want to try these, you need to get onto that right now, because that is a massive, massive, massive saving. So I'm so excited to share that discount code with you guys. I think that's a very generous deal and very well worth the investment in your anti-aging skincare routine. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate you taking into account my thoughts on Grand Nature's new Caviar products. I really hope you enjoyed. Leave me a comment down below letting me know which of these two products you are most excited to try, which one you are most interested in. I would love to hear your thoughts on that. I've been using both periodically and I'm yet to decide which is my favorite, but I'm definitely loving both of them right now. So highly recommend them. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.